In this tutorial, we are going to dive into the world of JavaScript, specifically focusing on objects in Node.js. If you've never programmed before, don't worry. This is going to be a fun and easy ride, where we'll break down everything into simple, understandable chunks. So, what exactly is an object in JavaScript? Well, in simple terms, an object is a standalone entity with properties and type. It's like a container where you can store different types of data, including numbers, strings, and even other objects. Here we have just created an empty object named student. This is done using the object literal syntax, denoted by the curly braces. Now, let's add some properties to our student object. Properties are nothing but values associated with an object, and they are defined as a key-value pair. The key is the name of the property and the value is, well, its value. So we've just added three properties to our student object: name, age, and major. The dot notation is used to access or set the properties of an object. Now, let's print our object and see what it looks like. As you can see, the output shows our object with the properties we've defined. The property and its value are separated by a colon, and each property value pair is separated by a comma inside the curly brackets. Now, let's access a specific property from our object. We'll try getting the student's name. And there you have it. By using dot notation followed by the property name, we can access the value of that property. Now, let's create an object using a different approach. Instead of declaring an empty object and then assigning properties one by one, we can declare an object and its properties all at once. Here, we have created an object named Professor and added three properties to it, all in one line. Let's print out our Professor object. And there you have it, folks. We've successfully created another object and accessed its properties. Remember, practice is key in programming. So, try creating different objects and accessing their properties on your own. Thanks for joining me today. Keep practicing, and happy coding.